Welcome back to the sawmill, friends. We're up here today finishing up this cedar. I've got 2 more of these cedar logs and I'll be done with cedar for a while. We can get on some ash and actually some hickory after that. We're doing more 4/4 boards. These are going straight into the kiln, and hopefully if the rain holds off, what is it? It's about 12 o'clock. They said rain about 3 o'clock. If we get done fast enough with these 2 logs, and the reason I say that is, I know what you're thinking, that's 3 hours. But guys, if you video stuff like I do, 2 logs takes a lot longer than it should. Normally, if I didn't have these cameras going, these 2 logs would take me probably 20 minutes, maybe less. But since I'm videoing everything, sometimes 2 hours. Just depends on how the cameras go, and I don't have any issues with batteries, which happens a lot, it seems like, here lately. But we're going to finish these 2 up, and if we beat the rain, we'll go ahead and take these on down to the kiln and start loading it up with some pine and some poplar and getting ready to dry some. I think this is going to be a really nice cedar, friends. Every cedar I've sawed for the past few days has been nice and solid all the way through the middle. That's rare with cedar around here. Most of the times it has voids all through it, and this one right here may be pretty special actually. It's a nice big log. Down here on the operator's side, we're looking at 12 inches on the diameter, so we should get some nice wide boards out of this. So hang in there, guys. Let's see what happens, and maybe we can beat the rain and start loading up the kiln. Get this cedar out of here. It's everywhere. I've got it piled up all over the floor.
So throughout, right. We talked about that last time you were on. Yeah. Yeah. It's just a great way for people to kind of see what's going on and to know where you are, where things are at. So Mark. Network.com.